Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the lesson is laws of exponent. What do we use exponent for? We use exponential notation to show that a number or variable is multiplied by itself a certain number of times. We can also call the exponent as index or power, which shows the number of times the multiplication is repeated or reiterated. For example, if we have x to the power b, one might want to know what x stands for or what b also represents. X equals base and b equals exponent. So therefore, we have x is raised to the b power. Example, if we have 2 to the power 3, which is an exponent, what does it mean? Or how can we solve? 2 to the power 3 means 2 must multiply itself 3 times. Thus, 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. Another example, x raised to the power 4, which means x must multiply itself 4 times. So we are going to have x times x times x times x, which equals x to the power 4. We also have other definitions of exponents. Other definitions of exponents are x to the power 0 is equals to 1. Notice that x must not be equals to 0. We also have x to the power negative b, which equals 1 divided by x to the power b. Notice also that x must not be equals to 0, because 1 divided by 0 is undefined. For example, if we have 3 to the power negative 2 is equals 1 divided by 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 means the number 3 must multiply itself. So we are going to have 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, which equals 1 divided by 9. Other laws. 1. If we have x to the power a multiplying x to the power b, we are going to have x to the power a plus b. Notice that the bases are the same. So when the bases are the same, we add the exponent and we select one base. For example, if we have x to the power 2 multiplying x to the power 3, since the bases are the same, we select one base. Then we add the exponent. So we are going to have x to the power 2 plus 3, which equals x to the power 5. Another law. Division. X to the power a divided by x to the power b is equals x to the power a minus b. Notice also that the bases are the same. So when the bases are the same, we subtract. Example, if we have x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3, which equals x to the power 5 minus 2, which equals x to the power 3. Another law. If we have a and b in a bracket to the power x, To get the answer, we need to know the exponent of A and the exponent of B. The exponent of A is 1 and the exponent of B is also 1. So we use the main exponent, which is x, to multiply the exponent of 1 and the exponent of A, and the exponent of B. So x will multiply 1, that is for A, and the x will multiply the exponent of B. So we are going to have A to the power x, B to the power x. Example: if we have A and B in a bracket raised to the power 2, we are going to have A to the power 2, B to the power 2. Another law, division. If we have A divided by n in a bracket to the power x, we are going to have A to the power x divided by n to the power x. Example: if we have A divided by n in a bracket raising to the power 2, the exponent for A is 1 and the exponent for n is 1. So we use the main exponent, which is 2, to multiply the exponent of A and the exponent of n. So we are going to have A to the power 2 divided by n to the power 2. Another law. If we have A exponent x in a bracket to the power n, we use exponent n to multiply the exponent of A, which is x. So therefore, we are going to have A to the power xn. Example: if we have A to the power 3 in a bracket exponent 2, we use exponent 2 to multiply exponent 3 of A. We are going to have A to the power 6. What do we use? So the final example, 1.1, we have 5 in parentheses m to the power 2t exponent p, multiplying 2 in parentheses m to the power 3p exponent t. So guys, please follow the laws of the exponent to solve this question. Then in the next video, I will explain how I got the answer 10m to the power 5pt. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive more mathematics lessons. Thank you.